Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching the built-in Directx diagnostic tool so you can see version details quickly. First, make sure you're signed into Windows. Admin isn't required but helps for full details. Then press Windows and R together, type dxdiag into the box, and hit Enter. The tool will load and collect hardware and driver info automatically. Wait until the progress bar or status says it's finished before moving on so you don't miss any fields. Once dxdiag finishes, switch to the System tab and look at the Directx version line near the bottom to confirm installation. Next, click the Display tab or multiple display tabs if you have more than one GPU. Here you'll see your graphics card, manufacturer, and feature levels which explain capabilities. Also scan the driver date and driver version fields. These matter for compatibility. If versions look outdated, consider updating the GPU driver before testing games or apps that require newer Directx features. To finish, click Save All Information and save the text file to your desktop so you have a snapshot you can review or share. Read the saved report to confirm the Directx version and check display feature levels against the requirements of your game or application. If Directx isn't installed or an app fails, make sure Windows Update is current and install the latest GPU driver, then rerun dxdiag. If problems persist, the saved report helps you or support identify missing components quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.